Good morning students. This is Sudhakar Reddy, Maths faculty. I am going to explain 9th class assignment which is dated on 17th December. So show that the diagonals of a rhombus divide it into 4 congruent triangles. So for that here I am taking ABCD is one rhombus and AC and BD diagonals which are intersecting at O. So here I am getting a triangles AOB, BOC and COD and DOA. These 4 congruent triangle I need to prove. To prove that one, I am taking first of all triangle AOB and triangle BOC I am taking. Here you can see that OA is equals to OC because it is the bisector. O is the bisector of this diagonal. The same manner OB is equals to OB because of it is a common side for both triangles, and AB is equals to BC which is sides of a rhombus which are equal, so that AB is equals to BC and OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OB, that is a common side. By SSS congruency criteria, by using that both the triangles are going to be congruent. Similarly, we can prove by using SSS congruency rule, triangle BOC and triangle COD also congruent, and triangle COD and triangle AOD or DOA are going to be congruent. In the same manner, triangle DOA and triangle AOB also going to be congruent by using SSS congruency rule. So we can prove this triangle AOB and which is congruent to triangle BOC, which is congruent to triangle COD, which is congruent to triangle DOA. So next question we can see here, in a quadrilateral ABCD, the bisector of angle C and angle D intersect at O. Prove that angle COD is equals to 1 by 2 of angle A plus angle B. So before proving this, I am taking one quadrilateral ABCD. In that the bisectors CO is the bisector of angle C and DO is the bisector of angle D. Both are intersecting at O point. So here, so this angle and this angle both are equal, and this angle are both are equal, which is C by 2. This is also C by 2. This is D by 2. This is also going to be D by 2. Now we know that sum of the angles of a quadrilateral becomes what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to what? 360 degrees. So here I am taking angle C plus angle D I am taking, that is equals to, I can write 360 minus of angle A plus angle B, and both sides I am dividing with 2, then I am getting 1 by 2 of C plus D is equals to 180 minus of 1 by 2 of A plus B. And in this triangle COD triangle, I am taking that this is going to be angle COD plus this is angle C by 2, this is angle D by 2. That addition is going to be what? 180 degrees. So that COD is equals to, I can write what? Angle, sum of the angles is 180 degrees, so that angle 1 by 2 of C plus 1 by 2 of D is equals to 180 minus angle COD. But angle 1 by 2 of angle C plus angle D is equals to, already we proved in equation 180 minus of 1 by 2 of angle A plus angle B. So that I substituted here, both sides 180 will be cancelled and negative sign also cancelled, so that angle COD is equals to what I am getting? 1 by 2 of angle A plus angle B. Okay, thank you.